Number 18. Number 18. Sumagida. Wala. Rebound ni number. Jump ball. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh. Number 6. Number 6. Sumagida, wala. Nawala ang bola, nakawa ni number 31. Blue ball.
Bali-bali, ball rep.
Number 6. Pass to number 31. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 18. Kuha ni number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 19. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 19. Number 21. Yellow ball. Inbound. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 1. Tumira, 17. Good for 2 by number 17. Number 31. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 31. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 5. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. Bumitaw sa 3. Foul by number 5. Foul by number 5. 3 shot. 3 shot. 3 shot. Pasok ang una. Good by number 28. Pangalawang pagbubuslo. Pasok pa rin. Pangatlo. Pasok pa rin. Score 5-2. Number 11, number 31. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Sumagida. Uspal rep. Number 21. Petro. Pasok. Number 2. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 19. Good for 2 by number 19. Oras, 7 minutes and 15 seconds to first quarter. All 5. Number 28, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, Sumagida.
Sumagida?
Blue ball. Number 19. Number 19, Sumagida. Tumira. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 7. Manalo. Butata. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by yellow ball. Foul by number 15. Number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 31. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Umatake. Good for 2 by number 7. Number 21. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Nag-dribble. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Foul by number 21. Number 21. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Wala. Wala. Rebound by number 5 pa rin. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 5. Oras 5 minutes and 18 seconds to play. Score 9-5. Number 17. Tumira, wala. Rebound ni number 18. Wala, rebound. 19, number 19. Number 19. Good for 2 by number 19. Number 21. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Blue ball. Number 7. Number 7. Oras 4 minutes and 24 seconds to play. Number 31 tumira, wala.
Ay, mandatory.
Yellow ball. Sab. Mandatory. Mandatory.
Yellow ball.
Walang player yellow. Inbound. Oh. Number 3. Sumagita. Umatake. Wala. Uspal rep. Number 5. Number 5, second personal foul. Second team foul. Score 11-5 in favor of blue. Una, wala. Pangalawa. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Nagaan na papasa ang pass to number 18. Number 18. Tumira. Wala. Butata. Nakuha ni Laksamana. Laksamana. Nawala ang bola. Nice team number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 18. Foul by number. Number 18. Time out. Yellow ball.
Ilan na ro? 18.
Number, pass to number 8. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 5. Slayer. Number 28. Pass to number 15. Laksamana. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 5. Score 15-5. Number 28 tumira sa 3. Wala rebound by number 5. Pass to number 8. Nice steal ni number 28. Number 28. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 28. Oras 2 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Number 8. Number 8. Nagam ng papasahan. Number 8. Number 8. Nice steal. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12 tumira. Good for 2 by number 12. Laksamana. Nagdi-dribble. Number 15. Pass to number 8. Bumitaw sa 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 5. Number 5. Nagmamadali. Number 5. Nice steal ni number 15. Number 15. Number 15, Sumagida, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 18, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 5 pa rin. Good for 2 by number 5. Oras, 1 minute and 25 seconds to first quarter. Number 15. Number 15. Nagdi-dribble. Number 15. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Wala rebound. Number 28. Nagdi-dribble. Number 28. Nagdi-dribble. Number 28. Tumira sa 3. Kapos. Number 5. Number 5. 34 seconds to play. Number 5, tumira. Good for 2 by number 5. 21-7. Oras, 30 seconds to play. To first quarter, 30 seconds. Number 15. Umatake, wala. Nawala ang bola. Pass to number 31. Number 31, nagmamadali. Number 31, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 18 pa rin. Tumira, good for 2. 10 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Baser na lang po. 5 seconds to play. Number 28, tumira sa 3. Good for 3 by number 28.
Ay, pares tayo, Penny.
And the first.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Score 23-10. Number 15, tumira. Wala, rebound by number 18. Number 18. Number 18, nagdi-dribble. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 6, tumira. Good for 2 by number 6. Number 21. Nice steal ni number 19. Number 19. Number 19, Sumagida, wala.
Sumagida.
Rebound. Pass to number 15. Number 15.
Sumagida.
Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number. Blue ball.
Sumagida na yun.
Number 8. Number 8. Number 8, pinasa sa number 18 of yellow ball.
Gagalit ka, Ima.
Kasi si Jom Jom eh.
Oras, 7 minutes and 45 seconds to play. Number 28. Number 28, pass to number 18, tumira sa 3. Good for 3 by number 18. Oras, 7 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Score, 25-13. Number 8, pass to number 19, nawala ang bola, yellow ball. Number 21, nagdi-dribble, number 21. Number 21, pass to number 28, tumira sa 3. Wala, rebound by number 15. Foul, rep. Number 18, number 18. First personal foul. Score, 13-25. Oras, 6 minutes and 50 seconds to play.
Buhay na tayo.
Pasok. Pangalawa. Pasok. 25-15. 10-point lead by Blue. Number 6. Number 6. Illegal double. Yellow ball. Oras, 6 minutes and 32 seconds to play. Number 21. Number 21, pass to number 28. Number 28. Nawala ang bola, pass to number 19, pass to number 6. Number 6. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 19. Blue ball. 18. Number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Sumagita pa. Palrep. Number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shot by number
Wala
18.
kang magagawa dyan eh.
Oras, 5 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Unang pagbumuslo by number 18.
Yung
Pasok.
binimay kay Kyle.
Pangalawa. Wala. Rebound by number 19. Foul by number 15. Number 15.
Selfie nga dapat ako. Kanina nung pinipicture.
Number 15, second personal. Number 18, warning for taking the foul.
Dalawa pala yun, nakatira mo wala.
Technical, bayad ka pa niyan. Hindi, warning lang.
Technical. Technical by number 18. Sub-rep. Sub-rep. Ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas.
Wala pa, 10 seconds pa.
Number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Tumira sa 3-point. Number 8. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Umatake. Wala rebound by number 28.
Mandatory na pagdas nito. Red ball ah.
Oh. Number 28. Number 28. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 15.
Mandatory, mandatory ah. Rep.
Mandatory, mandatory.
Wala ka pa mali? Mali, di ba?
Sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Dapat nga walang nagsasabi.
Ano yung isa ko yan?
Hindi ko asawa. Yan pinaka-pogi asawa ko. Hindi ko bawal masira yung
Number 7. Number 7. Number 7.
Manalo man sila.
Number 7.
Talo na sila talaga. Lang tayo.
Umatake, wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Number 21, nawala ang bola. Nakuha pa rin niya. Good for 2 by number 21. Score natin. 20-25. 5-point lead by Blue. Oras, 3 minutes and 40 seconds to second quarter. Number 31, wala. Rebound by number 5. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Umatake. Pass to number 15. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 15. 25-22. 3-point lead by Blue. Number 19. Umatake. Wala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18. Umatake pa rin. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. 10 seconds to shoot. Reserve timeout Blue. Oras 2 minutes and 55 seconds to second quarter. Number 21. Number 21 umatake. Pass to number 15. Yellow ball. Time out. Time out. Back to the ball game. Yellow ball. Oras 2 minutes and 44 seconds to second quarter. Number 21, number 21, naghahanap ng papapasahan. Number 21, sumagida, pass to number. Anong number ka? Number 03. Good for 2 by number 03. 120 na lang po ang lamang. Wala, rebound by number 19. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin niya. Good for 2 by number 19. Oras, 2 minutes exactly to second quarter. Number 21, naghahanap ng pamasahan, nagpe-play. Number 21, 10 seconds to shoot. Nice team na number 7. Number 7, pass, nakuha pa rin ni number 21. Number 21, pass to number 28. Number 28, nice team ni number 19. Number 12, pass to number 5, tumira, good for 2 by number 5. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 15, Sumagida, number 15. Good for 2 by number 15. Score 29-26. Number 19, Sumagida, good for 2 by number 19.
Okay.
Number 21. Oras, 1 minute and 5 seconds to play. Running time pa ho tayo. Number 21.
Okay lang.
Nag-aanap mapapasahan. Number 21.
Okay lang naman siya.
Okay lang.
50 seconds to shoot. Good for 3 by number
Narudan kada araw. Apat.
38 seconds to play. Number 31. Umatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni number 21. Number 21. 35 seconds to play. Number 21. Pass to number 03. Good for 2 by number 03. All 31 na po. All 31. Number 7. Number 7. 20 seconds to play. Good for 2 by number 7. Baser na lang po maririnig. 13 seconds to play. Baser na lang po. Baser. 5 seconds to play. Number 28. Tumira sa 3. Inbound by number, pass to number 8, pass to number 31, bumitaw sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Number 15, nagaan na mapapasahan. Number 15. Pass to number. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, nagmamadali. Number 18, umatake. Good for 2 by number 18. 35-31. Number 18, pass to number 28, pass to number 15. Number 15.
Uy, go.
Tumira, ang ganda naman nun. Good for 2 by number 15.
Pagtulan na, istak mo na kasi na-ending ko eh.
Semis. Number 8, pass to number 18. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 18 pare. 18 naman. Number 18, nagmamadali. Number 18, nagmamadali. Umatake, tumira. Wala. Foul by number 5. Number 5. Third personal foul. Number 5. Tatlo ka na. Two shot by number 18.
Best player.
Wala.
Ano, M? Anong gagawin, gagi? Game mode yan.
Pangalawa. Pasok. 1 point lead by Blue, 35-34. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 25 seconds to third quarter. Number 8, pass to number 19. Pass to number 31. Number 31, umatake, tumira. Good for 2 by number 31. Number 28. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Bumitaw sa 3. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 by number 17. Number 8. Number 8. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha pa rin ni ball.
Okay na yun.
Number 8, pass to number 19. Number 19, umatake, tumira. Basket count, kasapal. By number 14. Number 14. At 13. First personal foul. Bayaw daw niya yun. Oh, makakashoot na mamaya.
Wala na.
Good for
Sabi ko naman na yung
pasok Petro, number 19.
wala mo na yun na. Wala mo na kanina.
Number 15.
Baka lang. Baka sagutin mo pa lahat ng pagkain at saksi na yun.
Number 15. Pass to number 28. Bumitaw sa 3. Wala. Blue ball. Oras, 6 minutes exactly to third quarter.
Oras ka pa. Seryoso si Kosa.
36-40. 4-point lead by blue. Number 8. Off. Yellow ball.
Hindi yung mukha mo. Wala papalit dyan.
Number 15. Number 15. Sasagida. Umatake nga. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Nawala ang bola. Nakawa ni number 28. Tumira. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 5.
Kasi no? Matik na kanya.
Teka lang.
Batak yung mukha, no?
Score 42-36. Oras 5 minutes and 9 seconds to play. Number 15. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 18. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 18. Serve timeout. Number 28. Number 28. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 28. Reserve timeout. Yellow.
Shoot mo na yan.
Number 31. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Timeout. Timeout.
Papalitan ka na.
Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Nagdi-dribble. Number 8. Naghahanap ng papabasahan. Pinasa kay number 18. 10 seconds to shoot.
Natin. Yun lang natin. Alam mo na.
3 seconds. Violation. Yellow ball.
Ganyan lang tayo nung laro natin. Yung binigit ko agad. Lapit ka na, isa pa. Why yung graduate ka na? Dilikan lang, isang dilit ng ball.
Number 21.
Ay, nakaraan.
Pass to number 15.
Ganyan din.
Tumira sa 3. Tapos, rebound by number 18. Number 18. Umatake, tumira. Good for 2 by number 18.
Easy lang. Lamang sila.
Number 15. Number 15, umatake. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18 pa rin, umatake. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 28. Tumira. Basket count na sa foul. By number 28. Foul by number 19. Number 19, first personal foul. Second team foul. Pasok ang bonus shot by number 28. Score 41-46. 5-point lead by blue. Number 31 tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 15.
Kami napakaswerte ang buot.
Number 15 umatake. Tumira. Good for 2 by number 15.
Ring dito.
Oras 2 minutes and 34 seconds to play.
DM. Sab.
Reset.
Bawal po.
Number 19. Foul by number 13. Sub.
Toy, ano? Ano, Toy?
Second team foul.
Para surgery. Pag nangyari.
Pasok ang una.
Score, score.
Score 43.
Dalawa.
48. 43, 48.
40 na sinusulat eh. Kuya, 49, 48 lang ha. Nasa likod mo ako. Pati ka ba naman yan?
Pass to number good for 2 by number 15. 1 minute and 55 seconds to play. Number 7, nagmamadali. Tumira, good for 2 by number 7.
15, 45.
Number 15, pass to number 21. Number 21. Number 21, pass to number 28. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 21, pass to number 15. Good for 2 by number 15. 50-47, 3-point lead. Number 18, umatake, tumira. Foul by number?
Sino?
Number 17. Number 17, first personal foul.
Ano pa
Third team foul.
07.
Score 47-50. Wala. Ang oras, 1 minute and 7 seconds to third quarter. Pangalawa. Pasok. Number 21. 55 seconds to play. Number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Pass to number 15 na wala ang bola. Nakakuha ni number 19. 40 seconds to play. Number 18. Good for 2 by number 7. 30 seconds to play. Number 21. Number 21. 20 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 18.
Ayaw bigay.
Ba?
Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 18.
Ang ina mo.
Good for 2 by number 7.
Gago.
Number 21. Pass to number 15. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Wala. Foul by number 03.
Ano ko yun? Kasama ko yan! Ayaw ko!
Una. Kapos.
Tayo nakapos? Nagalolo.
Hoy!
Pangalawa.
Yan.
Pasok.
Kuntik pa lumabas.
Number 3. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Score.
56.
56-47. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18, wala. Rebound by number 28, tumira. Foul by number 12. Number 12. First personal foul.
Sa ulo.
2 shot by number 28.
Hindi siya naman nakalaro na sila. Nakatulog.
Pasok.
O, tama na! Okay na, panalo na kayo! Okay na, Kuya Fred, okay na po. Panalo na kayo. Okay na.
Time out, time out, time out.
Nakabakasan pa eh. Okay na.
Okay na daw.
Okay na eh. Okay na. Okay.
Back out.
Panalo na. Okay na. Panalo na kayo, bro.
Okay na. Concede.
Okay na. Panalo kayo. Okay na.
nangyari?
SK, salamat SK. Never, never, never.
Nangyari rin? Tatlo kayo ya!